अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, मैं शेख अहमद मियाँ निज़ाम न्यूज़ इंडिया में आपका खैर मकदम करता हूँ। आज नॉर्थ लालागुड़ा सिकंदराबाद इलाके में रेलवे हेल्थ इंस्पेक्टर जी नरसिम्हा राव और IHRO के एनवायरनमेंटल डायरेक्टर तेलंगाना और आंध्रा से की अगिरप्पा, शेख अहमद मियाँ, मोहम्मद अयूब सोहेल और दीगर कई लोग इस प्रोग्राम में मौजूद थे। ये प्रोग्राम का मकसद ये था लोगों में अवेयरनेस पैदा करना, गरीब और मुस्तहक और इनका साथ साथ जो है ना रेलवे सफाई कर्मचारी के दरमियान और पुलिस कर्मचारियों के दरमियान फल और बिस्किट तकसीम अमल में लाए। कोविड-19 कोरोना वायरस का अवेयरनेस भी इसमें की है। इनका साथ देते हुए APBC चैतन्य और OBC रेलवे एम्प्लॉय सपोर्ट किए।
At North Lalaguda Railway Health Inspector's Office, Secunderabad area, due to Corona disease prevention awareness creating for the Safai Karmacharis, and also to appreciate them for their services on this occasion. Today we are seeing that coronavirus disease infections are spreading throughout the world. Within 4 months, it has taken up to nearly 50 lakhs today in the entire world. All the entire world countries have been affected today. Just at the last week of December 2019, at Wuhan city in China, the first case we have observed. And within these 4 months, and the entire 200 countries, more than 200 countries of the globe, coronavirus has been spread. Social distance has been spread like anything, and every country has been affected. Nearly 50,000 persons in the all countries, 50 lakhs persons in all the countries affected, and particularly in India, now it is almost touching around 50,000 cases. As on today. So, the government, health departments, the general administration are taking very much preventive care to prevent, control and eradicate the eradication of this coronavirus infection is very important. In this direction, Government of India and all the local state governments, they are taking, and as a part of that, all our organizations also, we are making awareness of the people, and also to help the people, to appreciate the people who are doing the service. As a part of this, all these days with so many organizations, we have organized the unorganized sector labor who are suffering due to want of work, due to want of earning. They are suffering for food. For that, International Human Rights Organization and our OBC Railway Employees Association, Indian Railway Health Inspectors Association, we have done some efforts to supply the food also for such people. And today particularly, the Safai Karmacharis in the country, even entire government organizations, they have given leave to the Safai Karmacharis. But due to the coronavirus infection, for cleanliness management is also very important. For that purpose, municipal Safai Karmacharis and also railway Safai Karmacharis, they are daily attending to their duties and doing their best to maintain the cleanliness. And the Safai Karmacharis in the entire India, they are the least level employees in the government organizations wherever they are working, whether it is municipality or whether they are railways or whether they are in cantonment boards, they are doing their best services, and at the cost of their life risk due to coronavirus. As we have seen, many of the doctors, nurses, and even police personnel, they are getting infected while they are doing the duty, even though by knowing it, and you can see the Safai Karmacharis, they are attending their duties at the cost of their life. This is a great appreciable service of the sanitation staff in the country. So for that, International Human Rights Organization and Indian Railway Health Inspectors Association and OBC Railway Employees Association, we have come here to appreciate them, their services, and just as a small token of their appreciation, today we are giving them fruits of bananas, half a dozen, and one biscuit packet for them. It is only just a small appreciation, and at the same time we are advising them to wear always mask like this and wear gloves. Already you have seen they are maintaining the social distance and also using the sanitizer, and they are doing the entire railway premises, and the municipality Safai Walas, they are doing the municipal areas premises at the cleanliness activities, and to avoid the coronavirus infection. And for this program is sponsored by Andhra Pradesh BC Chaitanya Samiti from Andhra Pradesh today to give them fruits and biscuits. And I am very much thankful to all our chairman, Sri Agirappa Ji, International Human Rights Organization, Telangana and AP chairman, and our secretary, Sheikh Miyaji from Hyderabad Old City, and our OBC Railway Employees Association, Sri Stalin, and Indian Railway Health Inspectors Association is our Vice President, Zonal Vice President, is also present here, and all our members of our health inspectors also, our association, they are present. I am Indian Railway National Assistant General Secretary for Indian Railway Health Inspectors Association. I am also Honorable Director for the International Human Rights Organization Environmental Management, and also I am Vice President of OBC Railway Employees Association. Thank you very much.
Good morning everyone. This is Kommu Agrippa, International Human Rights Organization, Telangana and Andhra State Chairman, along with Dunji Narasimha Rao Garu, Honorable Director for International Human Rights for Environmental, and Railway OBC Employees Union Vice President, and
National
Assistant General Secretary, Health Inspector Association, and Mr. Stalin is OBC Hyderabad Division Secretary, and Vice President
SC
Railway Health Inspectors. Okay, and other staff members and Safai Karmachari of Indian Railway. So here actually we have gathered here to honor the Safai Karmacharis who are doing a tremendous, wonderful job, because they are keeping their life in risk and doing their job, attending their job to cleanliness and helping all railway staff and all. So for them, actually we gathered here to honor them for their services recognized by everyone. Here, railway employees, this Safai Karmacharis and many MCH workers and police department, health department, doctors, nurses and all, and journalists and police department, all these are working and doing wonderful job. to the nation. So they should be honored. And here also we are honoring from IHRO, and especially for this occasion, the sponsors. They are BC Chaitanya Samiti, Andhra Pradesh. We are thanking them for coming forward to sponsor this program. Thank you.
I am M.A. Rashid Jamil, Health Inspector, and also Vice President of Health Inspector Association. I want to thank all of those who have sponsored this fruits, biscuits. I also thank to OBC as well as our international human rights, and also Mr. Narsimham, who has taken these efforts to help those persons who are really doing lot of work even in this coronavirus. So I want to thank to everybody those who are attending.
అందరికీ స్వచ్ఛ నమస్కారం. నా పేరు స్టాలిన్, హైదరాబాద్ డివిజనల్ ఓబీసీ డివిజనల్ సెక్రటరీ. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ కరోనా వైరస్ అనేది ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా చాలా విస్తృతంగా ఇది స్ప్రెడ్ అవుతూ ఉంది. చాలామంది లైఫ్ని రిస్క్లో పెడతా ఉంది. ఈ టైంలో మనకి నిజంగా పనిచేసేది ఎవరంటే డాక్టర్స్, పోలీస్ అండ్ ఈ సఫాయి వాళ్ళ. వీళ్ళ వల్లే మనం హ్యాపీగా మన ఫ్యామిలీస్తో ఇంటికాడ ఉండగలుగుతున్నాం. ఈరోజు వీళ్ళందరినీ మనం గౌరవించుకోవాలి, వీళ్ళందరికీ రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవ్వాలి. వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళ లైఫ్ని రిస్క్లో పెట్టి మరి కూడా మనకి ఇక్కడ పనిచేస్తూ ఉన్నారు. వీళ్ళకి మనం వాళ్ళని అప్రిషియేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే వాళ్ళు ఇంకా ముందుకెళ్ళి వాళ్ళని మనం ఇచ్చేస్తూ ఉండాలి, గౌరవించాలి. వాళ్ళు చేసే సేవలు దేశానికి చాలా ముఖ్యం. ఈరోజు డైరెక్ట్గా కరోనాతో పోరాడుతుంది ఎవరంటే ఈ సఫాయి వాలర్స్ అండ్ డాక్టర్స్ అండ్ పోలీస్. సో వాళ్ళని ఈరోజు మనం గుర్తించాలి. దానికోసం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.